tips here on how to communicate with our models to make them more relaxed. Communicate with your model, Mo. Communicate with me. Or you know what? You're gonna be the model. Yes! I am the photographer and Mo is the model. Welcome to Studio Lou. I'm the photographer. I'm gonna make you feel relaxed. So here we've got the new Honor 200 Pro, which is a unique collaboration between Honor and Harcourt Studio. Has some unusual capabilities in the camera department to create images that look quite sophisticated, a little bit sophisticated. We'll show you how it works here soon. So here's the device. Oh, that's almost like marble feeling on the back. You don't often see an oval shape here. Dare I say elegant camera section? You know what, not marble, it's pearl. That's what I was looking for. This is almost pearl-like. Waterfall style edge going on. Very strong screen to body ratio. AMOLED and 6.78 inches, 120 hertz refresh, 2700 by 1224 resolution. Of course, we also have our SIM tool. They have a case to get you started. A beast of a power brick, 100 watts. 100 watt, let's see it. Max 100 watts, look at it go. Bling. Supercharging, I love when you can see it go up in real time. You guys already know that. When you get 100 watts in the phone package, what a bonus. You're charging your laptop. So actually, I'm not sure how this device is gonna be packaged and if there will be a version available without that charger or with a different charger, but they are having a promotion at the moment, which will include earbuds and that 100 watt charger for free with the purchase. Those details will be in the description of this video. So I'm curious as well about these front-facing cameras. So beauty mode, I'm gonna toggle that off. Whoa, very detailed front-facing camera. Even with the beauty mode off, wow. Man, I don't know, Mo, I don't know if you can tell, but like extreme beard detail. Mo is blurry. Check the portrait. That's a tough one, look at that. The lines from the ceiling. Well chopped. Let's see, beard. Well chopped. Very well chopped. Okay, let's flip around to the rear cam. Focus lock on a 1x, bang. How about a 0.6? Color temperature stays heavy. Love it. 2x, 2.5. We're having a photo shoot. Boom. Lots of versatility. I see that it picked up that it was a plant basically right away. Woo. Zoom is getting the job done. Obviously, these cameras are even better than the front-facing ones. 2 and 2.5, ultra wide and wide. And we are satisfactory, no doubt. Okay, the camera's getting a lot of attention on this device, partially just because they're good cameras, but also because of this Studio Harcourt collaboration, which gives you this very unusual mode and capability. Head over to the portrait section. Now, typically on these devices, portrait just means we're gonna get this bokeh effect, and maybe we have a couple of different lighting scenarios, but this Harcourt portrait style is based on a historical style, really elegant, sophisticated looking headshots. Mo will put in some examples of what those look like right now. It's this dramatic lighting effect, and if you see a behind the scenes of what this looks like, it requires some pretty intense lighting setups, angles, and obviously expertise. So let's go ahead and click on that mode. We have Harcourt Vibrant, Harcourt Color, and then you can see this black and white. The classic is something you've probably seen for that glamorous headshot. I don't think I've ever done one of these, so this is what we're gonna try to do right now. It's recommended that you use the 2x or 2.5x portrait in order to avoid wide angle distortion. Obviously, wider angle lenses tend to give you that fisheye effect, and if you're on a lens that's too long, you get the pin cushion effect. These are very important considerations to get what they would consider to be an optimal portrait. Look at this, we even have tips here on how to communicate with our models to make them more relaxed. Communicate with your model, Mo. Communicate with me. Or you know what, you're gonna be the model. Yes! Yes! I am the photographer and Mo is the model. Welcome to Studio Lou. Welcome to Studio Harcourt via my Honor 200 Pro. I'm gonna make you feel relaxed. We're gonna try to do it just like normal people, like we don't know anything about Harcourt, and we just click on it and we're like, okay, let's see what this feature does, like a person who just picked up the phone. All right, Mo's gonna go against a white wall. He has a chair and he's gonna do a pensive pose. I need this arm here to go sort of up by your face. Not on it, just near it. Yes! Now Mo, I want you to look off, like right around here. Too far. Good, stay there. Put your finger down so it's just a fist. Yeah, more like that. That's beautiful. Wait.
Do it. You can't take a picture
Wait. Let the people see it at the same time.
Oh, you know what, dude?
Go ahead, tell them, don't tell me.
That's actually a nice picture of me.
You're ready for Hollywood, man.
Wow.
Is he-
That actually is a nice picture.
He's ready
of me.
for Hollywood, right?
You know what, dude? I thought this hand thing was very silly of you, but it looks good. It looks really good.
There's a little more intrigue. There's a little more interest. We're gonna do the other versions of Harcourt now.
You want me to sit or
standing? Let's do a standing one.
Alright.
Now let's do one looking at camera. This is Harcourt color that we're gonna do next. Maybe even better than the last one, but we're gonna do.
I don't know. Tough to beat that last one.
I'm gonna do the vibrant now. Let's have you lean on the chair, both hands on it.
Oh.
Like you just showed up at a meeting. Yeah.
Okay.
Here we go.
Little shoulder shrug.
Here we go. Wait, no, I think. Can you lean on? You're more manly.
Hey, man. This
Forced.
whole position feels so.
It just seems forced.
Look at Jack over there.
A little more natural.
He looks constipated now. The existence of this chair totally you up. Anyway, the other one was good. This one was good.
Oh, this one's nice.
Yeah, this one's good. It's more of like a subtle color. It's not oversaturated. It has an artistic look to it. So these two, they look, I mean, I don't know if people would guess that they were shot on a smartphone or not. I don't know. So there it is. It is the Honor 200 Pro with a unique collaboration with Studio Harcourt. I mean, I don't know that you can get access to a model like Mo. I can't guarantee that, but you can definitely make pretty much anyone look more sophisticated. If you want to check out the ongoing promo, which includes wireless earbuds and that 100 watt, massive 100 watt power brick, be sure to check the description.